Hello guys, this is Ason's Adventures and Travel. Ngayon naman ay pupunta tayo dito sa Jasper National Park. Ano bang special dito sa Jasper National Park? Spanning over 11,000 square kilometers, Jasper is the largest national park in the Canadian Rockies, known for its vast wilderness, majestic peaks, abundant wildlife, and outstanding natural beauty. Visitors from all over Canada and around the world travel here to experience this very special place. If you don't like to go by driving, get to Jasper by bus. Sandog Tours can pick you up at the Calgary Airport and bring you to Jasper via Banff and the spectacular Icefields Parkway. Or they can pick you up at the Edmonton Airport and bring you to Jasper via Highway 16. Just check the schedules and you can reserve guys for your tour. And if you want to go to Jasper by train for a chance to sit back, relax and see scenery that you can't see from any highway, take the train. There are 2 rail services that can bring you to Jasper. So ngayon guys, nandito na tayo sa part ng Jasper and kailangan natin bumili ng ticket para pass natin papunta ng provincial park ng Jasper. Okay guys? Watch out! If you don't have your own car to drive to Jasper, try these car rental agencies. They have offices both in Jasper and throughout Canada and the US. Try the Alvis, Budget, and the National Car Rental. As you can see guys, all major roads in Jasper are paved and all major highways have shoulders. The maximum speed limit inside Jasper National Park is 90 kilometers per hour, with several areas having slower limits for wildlife safety. Make sure to factor in plenty of time for breaks, slow traffic, and inclement weather conditions. Here's where you can see current road conditions. Check the AMA report and Parks Canada road report. Medyo mausok po ang panahon because of the wildfire na nangyayari po sa BC. So yung smoke niya po ay kumakalat hanggang Edmonton. So hindi po natin makita ang natural beauty ng mountain today. Pero pag pumunta po kayo na walang wildfire na nagaganap, this is really a beautiful and stunning mountains. Jasper is an exceptional place where taking the path less traveled rewards you with an authentic, remarkable experience. And in our case, the journey is as exceptional as the destination. 4 things to know before bringing your pet to Jasper National Park. With trails aplenty and multiple dog-friendly accommodation options, bringing your furry friend to Jasper can make the trip extra memorable. As I was saying a while ago, you need a park pass pag pumunta po kayo ng Jasper National Park. Entry and service fees are charged at most national parks and national historic sites where revenues are kept to support visitor services and facilities. This means that every time you visit a park or site, you are investing in its future and in legacy for future generations. When you go to Jasper, there's no point that you will be bored guys. There are so many things to do. Ski, snow and ice hiking on winter time, walking and biking, climbing and canyoning tours, and sightseeing, rafting, canoeing and water sports, wildlife viewing, Jasper Sky Tram, golfing, spa and wellness, arts, culture and planetarium, eat and drink, shopping, horseback riding. Weather in Jasper changes. In the mountains, weather can change suddenly and unpredictably. Springtime comes to the valley bottom in April and reaches the high country by June. It brings wildflowers and gushing rivers, which make it the ideal time for rafting. Summer days are temperate and long, with the sun setting late and rising early. July is the warmest month with temperatures around 22.5 degrees centigrade. Fall comes in September and October, bringing beautiful autumn colors, clear skies, and cooler temperatures. Fall weather conditions are fabulous for hiking, biking, stargazing, and for those who are tolerant of cooler temperatures, camping. Winter brings cold, snowy weather that can quickly change to warmer Chinook winds and Alberta sunshine. Winter temperatures vary, but January is usually the coldest month with temperatures rarely rising higher than -8 degrees centigrade. Wildlife sightings are most frequent in the early morning and during the evening, so get out early to make the most of your day. And 100% you can see wild animals there, my friend. The Downtown Foodie Tour will take you to 4 local joints, visiting points of interest and taking in some of Jasper's tastiest tales. Explore the best views of Jasper with Canada's highest and longest guided aerial tramway. Take a 2-hour motorcycle tour to one of Jasper's most iconic destinations such as Athabasca Falls, Malayan Canyon, Medicine Lake, at marami pa pong iba. Jasper National Park is well known for its abundant wildlife, and the evening is an ideal time for viewing. There's also a full-day canoe rentals at Malin Lake. These trips are designed for canoeists traveling to the Jasper area that did not bring their boats. And also guys, you can enjoy the classic cruise also at Malin Lake, declared the best boat cruise in Canada. By 8 million Reader's Digest subscribers, the Malin Lake cruise is an experience like no other. And of course guys, at Athabasca Falls Canyon Run Whitewater Raft Trip. If you like to experience the water rafting, this trip offers the ultimate family adventure and is suitable for families of mixed ages and apprehensive first-time rafters. Ayan guys. And also you can experience rock climbing. No rock climbing experience necessary because somebody will gonna assist you there guys. And that's for sure. On winter times, group ice walk at Athabasca Glacier. Walk through snow and ice while your experienced guide navigates crevasses so that you may explore the glacier and ice cave safely. Enjoy the scenic float trip, the regional. Don't worry, the guides do all the rowing. There's always a chance of seeing wildlife while you sit back and soak in the spectacular scenery. The 6 Glacier Helicopter Tour. Yes guys, get ready for the most packed and incredible 20 minutes of your life. Planetarium and telescope combo. Enjoy a full evening of cosmic exploration in the world's second largest dark sky preserve. Wildlife and hike, a unique Jasper experience where you combine wildlife viewing and hiking on one of our amazing trails. There's a very nice trails there guys. So come and experience all of this. Family private canoe adventure. The guided Pyramid Lake Canoe Adventure is an excellent way to start or finish your day in Jasper National Park. Other activities that we can do on winter time are the snowshoe tour. Adventure on foot by snowshoeing your way through some of Jasper National Park's magical winter landscapes. And you can do group ice climbing. Unforgettable experience of climbing a frozen waterfall. Winter snowshoe adventure. Enjoy some of Jasper's fluffy powder snow and awesome mountain scenery. Skiing and snowboarding. Located in the breathtaking Canadian Rocky Mountains, Marmot Basin Ski Resort inspires lasting memories, not to mention stunning photos. Ayan guys! And of course, fire food and ice skating adventure. This is a perfect way for couples, friends, and families to enjoy skating in Jasper National Park. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? If you are free, come and visit Jasper anytime at your convenience. And I will make sure that you're gonna enjoy. Guys, simple tips lang pagkapag pumunta po kayo for a mountain hiking or mountain climbing. Mountain adventures require proper preparation. Stay comfortable and safe with this sample packing essential. Warm jacket, hiking pants, hiking boots, top, gloves, socks, mid-layer. Dala na rin po kayo ng extra socks. Bring a water bottle, sunscreen, and sunglasses. And don't forget your bear spray dahil marami pong bear sa Jasper. Remember, each trip is different, so make a list tailored to your own adventure. And please, if you have a medicine kit, just for an emergency purposes lang po guys. Ayan. And of course, if you're taking a maintenance medicine, don't forget to bring it. Okay guys, those are just a simple tips to bring if you go to the mountain. Before I forgot, Jasper is in the mountain time zone. Ayan. So GMT 7 hours. And again, thank you very much for watching Ason's Adventures and Travel. Sana po ay wag po kayong magsawang sumuporta sa aking mga videos. And please naman guys, pa-like naman po, pa-subscribe, and pa-click na rin ang bell para lagi po kayong ma-notify sa aking mga upcoming videos. And please, pa-share na rin po. Love is sharing guys. Kaya I'm hoping that you're gonna share my videos. Thank you very much and God bless everyone. Stay safe.